Good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys, wherever you are on this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this YouTube video. Welcome to the Bitcoin Family YouTube channel, where I used to say BAM many times, but it's not BAMing this morning guys. Bitcoin is doing something completely different than I expected. I need to be very honest. I need coffee, but I'm going to jump into the charts because I know you're waiting for this video. Sorry that is a little bit later, but let's quickly jump into the charts to show you what is happening to Bitcoin at the moment, guys. Bam. But this is the first chart. I won't be editing this video, so there will be some mistakes, guys. This is the 1 hour chart, and on the 1 hour chart we can see we had these two bottom candles going to 20,800, and then we got a green flag again in the BAM indicator, some purple triangles. We closed above the yellow stepping line, so we are going up, but we are walking into the resistance of this red line. If we will be able to close this candle in 43 minutes above the red line, we will probably visit the 24k level again. I know this is not the levels we want to see, but at least it's a little bit more positive and it's a little pump. If we zoom out to the day channel, I need to check if my face is okay. The day channel, we can see, I will go down like this, that we completely fell out of that pattern, guys, and far away down below that EMA ribbon. We fell all the way to the 20,600. On the day channel we can see this MACD turning red again. We had a cross of the blue line across that red line. We were watching the 3-day channel the last couple of days. On that one you can see even we should have been going into green, but now we have even a red candle. Very strange market. If you look back into history, completely into all these charts, you will not see this pattern of declining red and then bam, a huge red candle anywhere in history, guys. I've been searching, you can't find it. It's a very strange market. I don't know what to say else. On the weekly we can see that we did visit that 200 weekly moving average already, guys. I expected it to take 1, 2, 3 weeks. It was bam, right away down to the 200 weekly moving average. And together with that you can see here on the bottom the hash ribbons that we started to become red. And when we become red, guys, over here, this is the moment here, we are near that bottom and we can go a little bit more deeper, because the red starts over here. That was when the price was at this level. Then we fall down to that level in this red area. Of course it can also be shorter red areas, like you can see here, it's small corrections, but the start of this red area means that we are nearing the bottom, but we can fall a little bit more deeper. And the moment this red area ends, we will get this blue circle again, and that will be the buy moment. I will be buying all the way into that red area dollar cost averaging, and you could do the same, or you could start to buy when you see this blue dot again on the hash ribbon. Again, I expected 3 scenarios. This was the best one, second best, this was the worst case, and we had the worst case, and the worst case was even faster than I expected. So I can delete these scenarios now, guys, because these won't happen anymore. And the one that happened is bam, down to the 200 weekly moving average. And if we look back in history, I just want to show you this. This line has been a very important line. I'm going to minimize this screen a little bit like that. Auto, look here, that line was support. Yes, we wicked down below it. Here, oh yeah, Didi, don't do the auto. The trading view is like, I think, upset of the price as well. So here, the 200 weekly, we found support as well. We didn't wick through it. If we go back all the way to here, we are in 2015, it was support again. Here it was support. So this red line has been a very important line through Bitcoin's history. The 200 weekly moving average, we are touching it again now. We have wicked through a few times in history, but now again we are there. We can go deeper a little bit, but let's see how the market corrects at the moment, guys. This is my worst case scenario that is now happening. Now If it is to, a Bitcoin price, if it is up to buying, it's the best case scenario, because now it becomes the time again to buy Bitcoin. When we zoom out to the monthly, we can see the same. We touched that 200 weekly moving average. We were talking about this already here. At the moment, we saw the orange line coming down to the blue line, and we told each other if we break the orange line, we can get a blow off top. If we break the blue line, we will go to that red line and eventually to the 200 weekly moving average. I've been repeatedly saying this in all the videos. I didn't expect it to go that fast, but there we are at that 200 weekly moving average. I can't change it at the moment. It's as it is. It's not emotionally a nice feeling, but we are there. Okay, I'm going to try to end the video positive, so keep on hanging in here. We'll keep watching till the end. Now, if we look at the MVRV score, yes, you feel fear. Yes, you feel max pain. Yes, you feel all of these shitty emotions that you don't want to feel. But there is a positive side to this. The positive side is that these moments that you feel that pain, that you feel like I'm going to stop crypto forever, that you feel like I'm going to burn my ledger, that you feel like I'm going to kick myself 10 times in the mirror and like in my face, that is the moment you should be changing your mindset now into accumulating and buying. I'm not saying you need to buy now, but you need to be prepared now to start to dollar cost average into Bitcoin again. As you can see in this one as well, always when we get into this green box, we need to buy Bitcoin. And we are nearing that green box. I think we are even entering that green box at the moment. And this means this will become a beautiful buying opportunity again for the future of Bitcoin. And that is also on the hash ribbon. That's what we just saw. We are starting this red area. After the red area, we will get a white area. And that white area is the area that we make profit. So this red area is starting. It depends how long this red area is going to take. But after red starts a white area, and you will be making profits again. Can we see how the sellers are doing? This is the seller exhaustion constant, which means the moment is made, I think this is made by ARK. Yeah, ARK Invest. These moments, this blue line gets into the pinkish area. This is when it's completely oversold. And when it's completely oversold, the sellers are exhausted. And that is when we can expect the price to turn back again to higher levels. Look, this drop. Bam! We are coming near that pinkish box again. That is the positive part. When we enter it, get this buyer mentality. The bear market is not a seller's market. The bear market is a buyer's market. That's when you start to buy and add to your positions, guys. I know it's very difficult. Also, what I think is very important is this one. It is very important to understand that if you think that your worth is the total of your assets, then you will be often more disappointed than satisfied. If you focus on the daily actions that are required to achieve your targets or happiness, you will be more satisfied than disappointed. Don't worry, be happy. That's why I've always been saying, zoom out in Bitcoin, zoom in at life. It's very important to understand that zooming out in Bitcoin teaches you to look at this bigger picture. Bitcoin will recover again. Yes, we will fall down. Yes, that will be a beautiful opportunity to buy. And yes, in the next bull run, you will take your profits again. As you remember, every Bitcoin you buy and a hodl more than 3 years will be in profit. And I do understand that you don't feel like this. And I do understand that you have a tremendous losses because you didn't sell. But always remember that feeling. In 2018, we were at 20K. And then in the bear market, you told yourself, shit, I should have sold. Do you remember that feeling? Oh man, I was too late, I should have sold. And then when we went again in this new bull market to 30K, to 40K, to 50K, you told yourself, shit, I should have bought that dip. I should have bought at 3K. Why was I afraid? Why didn't I buy at 3K? That was the perfect opportunity. Do you remember that feeling as well? Those two feelings, you need to get control of those two feelings. The feeling that you're feeling now, fuck, I should have sold at 70K, that is indicating that we are nearing this bottom. And now remember that feeling again that you told yourself, I should have bought at 3K. You should be buying this bottom. If you don't buy this bottom, you will get that same feeling again at the next all-time high. I should have bought the bottom. This is that moment. That this moment is arriving. From now, a couple of months, you can be buying that bottom. That is my honest opinion about this. But I'm not always right, guys. I'm just a guy doing my best to educate you in Bitcoin, blockchain, and life. And I'm very thankful that you're watching all these videos, and I'm very sorry for the mistakes I now and then make in my analysis. But I'm human. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment. What do you think about the charts? What do you think? Tell me what you feel. Do you want me to go live a few times this week so we can talk about everything a little bit more and we have more interactions? Let me know down below in the comments. Thank you for watching. I wish you an amazing day. How awful it might seem, there are beautiful things, like look at the colors around me. There is a beach, there is a sea, and there is also beautiful places at your place. Go and do other stuff. Don't watch the market too much, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you hopefully tomorrow again.